It's a good day. It's a good day, people. I got something to show you. Picked up a 07 Chevy Express 1500. Gonna start a like a van camper van life build, and I can't wait. If you've watched my past videos, I've talked about it a couple times that like this is the goal. This is what I want to do. There's only so much I can do with the Suburban before I'm like tearing the thing apart, and that is my daily driver still, so I don't really want to get too deep into it. But this is like a blank canvas. I can do whatever I want to it, build whatever I want, tear it apart. The check engine light is on. I haven't looked into why yet. Crank windows. It's an 07 and a half, so it's got the newer gauge cluster style, newer steering wheel, and like light switch and stuff. It's got the double din radio, which is going to get taken out and put in like a tablet style. Got to work on the AC. That doesn't work yet. Seat's pretty clean. I'm going to do the bed sideways. I laid down in there multiple times, multiple different ways, and I know I can fit laying sideways. It's close, but it'll be comfortable. The bed's going to go from those two white pillars up to here across, which will be like a 54 or 56 inch bed, which is fine because my roof tent is 48 inches wide and me and my girlfriend sleep in there perfectly fine. So a little bit extra room will be nice. I'll do storage under the bed. I'll do like shelves right here, and then from there, wherever the bed ends, to maybe here, I'm going to do the countertop with a sink and everything, water tank underneath. The battery's probably going to go right there under the bed, and then right here in this section will be another set of shelves. I'm going to get a cooler, one of the refrigerated ones, so I don't have to deal with ice and ice melting and having to drain out the water, all that. That'll probably go right here, and I'll build like a center console over it. It's gonna get 6 recessed lights, LED, everything's gonna be 12 volt. I'm gonna do some plugs on either side. I'm not sure which side my head's gonna go on yet, but I'll do like spots for phone chargers and stuff like that, cigarette outlet, all switch panel, and then I think probably here, probably there actually, I'll do a like a camper style window that slides up, has a screen in the bottom so I can get some cross ventilation. I'll do another one over there above the bed so that, you know, we can have a nice view besides just the rear windows. Say I pull up to a river on this side of the vehicle, I'd like to be able to look out. I'm gonna do a pretty much full-length roof rack with solar panels above. Everything, all the wiring's gonna get run down through all these channels. It'll be nice and tucked away. Got lots of plans for it. Rims, tires, nothing too crazy, but something a little bit more rugged because it's only 2-wheel drive. I'm gonna do I'm gonna pull all this up. I'll redo this. All this probably with carpet, just something cheap from Home Depot or something, and then this is all gonna get pulled up. It's got like some insulation underneath it that's not wet, but it's, I don't know, it's just kind of musty. I want to get rid of that, and I'll do I'll get some strapping, probably like 1/2 inch or 5/8, and go across, and then I'll take foam insulation board and put it in between each piece of strapping, and then I'll run my flooring planks this way, and it should have enough in between the insulation and the floor, because nothing's going to be, these floors have ridges all the way across, so nothing will be perfectly sealed, so it should have enough ventilation to not have to worry about moisture underneath. And the sides are going to be like a particle board or something along those lines, or 1/4-inch plywood, because I want as much room width-wise as I can. And then maybe some shelves up top. I don't want to do those big cabinets that a lot of people do, because I feel like it really tightens the space in here and makes it feel smaller than it is, which it already is pretty small, but I want it just to be light colored, lots of natural light coming through. I just want it to feel bigger than it is. So it's gonna be a fun project. It's probably never gonna be done. It'll just be an ongoing project that'll get better and better as I go. So I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited, because this will bring a lot of content for, like I said, for a year if I wanted to. Next video will be me either tearing up this floor or getting the surface rust off the frame and repainting that, checking out the front end, making sure, you know, seeing what I need to replace. So it's gonna be endless videos on this thing. I'll see you next time.